Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another free product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. And let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a shower stool, bath stool. Enhance your life quality, swivel stool shower with a storage rack. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put this thing together. So this is made for people that need to sit down when they shower or they bathe for whatever reason. So this is built sturdy for up to 350 pounds, and it's got a little storage rack underneath. So let's put it together. So first thing you do is you have four legs, and if you look at it, it has a bead right here that pops in, and if you look in here, there's a hole right here where that bead pops into it. So we're just going to put the four legs in there. Did you hear that pop? We're going to do that all the way around. Listen for the pop. Hear that? Pop it in there. There you go. So this is built for bathing and or showering. So if you wanted to bathe, you could have it low like this. But the other thing is, this has also got a shower shelf. So an adjustable shower shelf that pops on here like this. And it also drains, which I like that it drains. If you look at it, it has a draining, so it's, you're not going to have a bunch of water. And immediately I found that I put this leg on backwards. All right, so all I had to do is just reverse this plastic piece here real quick. Put this back in. Now we can put our shelf on. Not the end of the world. All right, so now you have your stool with a draining rack underneath. And you see this seat swivels, so you can sit on it. You can put your shampoos or whatever it is that you want, bath towel, whatever well, not a bath towel, but a wash rag or sponge or anything else that you want under here. It's going to get wet. But this is a very nice, solid stool. So the only thing left is to go see how this looks in the shower. Let's go, shall we? So as you can see, it fits great in any shower. And you can sit on it, take a shower. You need to swivel to get behind you and wash your hair. You can swivel. I'm a pretty big guy. It's swiveling very easily. So if you're a person that needs a shower stool for any reason whatsoever, or a tub stool, this could be in the bathtub because it's got gripper legs, I say 2 thumbs up to this. Go get yourself one. This is awesome.